A frantic call, a daughter trying to control the narrative, and police who refuse to play along. What you're about to watch is a perfect example of how talking too much can turn a bad situation into a worse one. This is an 11-minute body cam video that starts as a confusing family dispute and escalates fast. The daughter seems convinced that if she explains enough or pushes hard enough, the officers will take her side. Instead, the opposite happens. Watch this entire encounter first, then we'll break down what the police were legally allowed to do and where this situation truly went off the rails. As you watch, focus on two things: how emotions replace clear answers, and how multiple chances to de-escalate get ignored.
What my boss explain to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah.
How you doing?
God, I can't get a break.
Hi, seems like it.
Well, as you know, I'm just third morning. Dino, I'm going to be
Yeah, I understand that.
and my daughter's out there, way out there, but she's got what do you call it, a restraining order, but
CTW.
a CTW where she can't come here.
Yes, sir.
I leave, and me and Raven were trying to get things. I'm ordering part trying to get, but I got to go eat. Well, you see me go eat because I'm diabetic. I got to go get my food and take my medicine.
Okay. Did you allow her to come in?
I no way.
No. Which way did she come?
What happened? He was down, moved cars, and we were in there going over stuff, and we knew. I don't know how she did it, but he called me. He said, "Ron, I know when I moved this vehicle, it was in the yard. That car, and that car does belong to her. She lost the keys to it.
Yeah,
but that don't care. That doesn't
So I
matter.
found it with the door wide open when I went out there the second time. And it wasn't like
So
that.
all over the place.
Oh, so she was in the car. Why? The door was open in the car?
Yeah, well, he didn't know. I said, "Well, check, make sure she's not in my room." He said, "Sure enough, she's in my room taking a shower."
Was this bay door open?
Yeah, that door was open.
Okay, so she just was. Okay, that's fine. So you didn't allow her to be here?
I got a picture of it just now out there by his Bronco.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Okay.
I
Let me take care of it, and we'll take care of the
She's
other.
already gone.
Where is she?
She's walking down the road now.
She's walking down the dirt road.
I made a video of her walking away.
Okay,
So.
I'll be right back. You have a video of her? Let me see the video.
Yeah.
You saw her in the shower?
Huh?
You saw her in the shower?
I went in there to check on him.
Oh, here, here, in the shower. He opened the door.
Oh, she was.
Let me show you my room right quick.
There she is. This is after she came out of the shower. She hauled ass once I went in there and it was like, "Who is that?"
And then I just pulled up. I seen her going down the road. I said, "Nicole, I'm going to have you arrested."
All right.
I can't run a business with her coming in and doing this. I'm not. I don't have to deal with this.
You took him and you lost him, he said. If we had the keys, we'd be able to move the car, get it out of here. It needs work. It's got a bad popping noise inside the engine, but we were trying to figure it out, and the keys disappeared. Huh? Well, I live in my own house.
Okay.
I didn't supposed to be here.
Yeah. All right, look for her. I'll be right back.
But she's walking down the dirt road. I pulled up here. I was already in town and we said,
he's
Roxy's, and he called me. I'm like, shit. So I turned around. I said, to call you guys. I said, I'm on my way. You know, I'm trying to drive the speed limit, trying to take.
No, I understand.
And, God damn, man, you dope, man. But, anyway, see if you can get her. I want her arrested.
Yes, sir.
I don't want her coming back.
Yes, sir. Stop! Sheriff's office! Stop! Back up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Give me your gun! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
What are you doing to me?
Hey, Sasha, give me one ID. Where are you running from?
Dude!
Where are you running from?
No! What the f? I don't want to go back to that cell. Please. Please. Let me explain, dude.
3010.
Let me explain!
Stop!
No!
In the trailer park. Racetrack.
Dude.
Stop. Stop. Why do you have to run? Why can't you just talk to me and start running?
Well, can I talk to you then?
No, hold on. You're over here pulling for no reason. What happened?
Nothing, dude. I just am trying to get somewhere to live, and every time I do that, you guys just arrest me. And you don't
Well, you
let
got a
me-
criminal trespassing at your debt.
I didn't know that. That's why.
I told you the other
That's
day.
why I left.
I told you the other day.
That's why I left.
Okay, I told you
So
the
I
other
didn't
day.
do anything illegal. I won't go back there.
You violated criminal trespassing.
No, I did not.
You did. I advised you the other day.
I was not there.
I have video. They have video of you
I
there.
went and asked him to give me my stuff. That's my car. That's my car. Okay, that's my car.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Dude, Tico. Dude, this is wrong, and you know it, dude. What the fuck? Like, what are you
Stop.
supposed to
Stop.
do?
Stop. You're being no reason. Stop.
No, I did nothing wrong. This is fucked up, dude. You're making me like your animal.
No, you're being, I have nothing to do. I'm not even hurting you.
Dude, this guy checks off and put me in that fucking cell, dude.
Stop.
Seriously, I gotta go pee, please.
Stop.
No. Dude,
Yeah, it's up here to the right. Stop.
I did nothing
Stop.
wrong. I did nothing wrong.
Stop.
I did nothing wrong. No, dude, I'm gonna get arrested here.
I'm going to arrest you for this time. Go.
No. No, this is not fair. You know it. I didn't do nothing, and you guys just let me have a grace for nothing.
You don't have to let me have. Hold on. Wait. Calm down. Come on.
Dude, it's not being fair.
Why are you running from me? It's not fair.
Why didn't you help me then?
Why you run?
No,
I'm
I'm
going to help you
not.
when you run.
Well, where do I go to find you? No.
Have a seat. Hey, get inside. Is this your car? Okay. So she went to her dad's. She's not allowed at her dad's. She saw that over here. She's doing everything. So I'm gonna get whatever stuff she has in there.
She's trying to get into my car.
Yeah, she was in your car when I opened the door. She ran into the car.
Oh, yeah, she's been out of it.
Yeah, I know.
She's handicapped, mental. I hadn't seen her in maybe 3 weeks.
Okay.
She came in, knocked on my door at 12 o'clock at night. Scared the shit out of me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
But she's mental. Bad.
Yeah. So we have a video of her, and they saw her in the shower at the dad's, and then she walked out and left. She saw me coming down the road, and she thought I was running. She tried to go to someone's house, and then she came back this way, and I saw her.
She was living right here in a trailer. But
Yeah, that's what the dad was telling me, but
she was always naked.
Yeah.
All naked. Like, put some clothes on.
okay.
So they ran her out.
Okay. I'm gonna grab whatever she left in there. She had a bag with her.
Oh, okay.
And I'll close your door, okay? I would advise you to lock your doors.
Yeah.
Because you right try to lock yourself and barricade yourself inside the car. So
Yeah.
I suggest you lock your doors
Okay.
for anything else so it doesn't happen again, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias.
Yes, sir.
May God have ripped in pieces.
Okay.
I'm kidding, not kidding.
I know.
No, I'm not. You don't know, dude.
Okay, I don't know.
Who's this guy? No, I'm not looking at you like this is funny, dude. Like, you think it's funny to just making you a subject and animal? You keep torturing me, giving me his breads, putting me in his cells? Like, what the fuck is this? I have to be dead for this to be my reality, dude. This is the end of time, this is. Like, it is. Like, seriously, just break myself in my hands. Like, no, I can't play it for my funds. We'll have a nurse look at me. Yeah, a nurse look at me. Let's observe the fucking animal. Let's observe somebody suffering. We're gonna save you. Let's just keep watching you suffer. Fucking pig motherfuckers, dude. Let's just watch you suffer and make you subject. What the fuck are you looking at, dude? You're just watching somebody suffer. Stop looking at me. Like, dude, I'm not trespassing against anything. You're trespassing against me, my property. This is my body. You're making me say you should be subject to actually, like, being the same shit I'm going through. This is my physical body. I'm trying to heal and be well. Now, if you're working for the devil, even he would flee. So what the fuck is your deal? What is it that you want from me, dude? You want me to go commit suicide and jump off the Rio Grande Gorge? What is it? What? Hello? What? Stop looking at me, dude. Don't make me look normal. Like, get the fuck away from me. You're a guy, sadistic mother. not this guy. Like, this is not right, dude. Like, how am I getting subject to some type of, oh yeah, they say this is, oh, I'm trespassing. What? You're trespassing against me, dude. You're a trespasser. First off, you guys have offended me on multiple occasions being arrested in this place. First, by not providing me with a sanitary place to actually clean my body.
That's not my concern. That's not my concern.
Providing me with hygiene products.
That's not my concern.
It should be.
It's not.
Because
I don't work here. I don't care what, I don't know what they give you. Okay, I don't work here. That's where it's at.
Liberty and right to actually hygiene products and medical care that I was receiving outside of this place, and I'm not guilty of that which you're incarcerating me for until I'm actually proved guilty. So meanwhile, while we're waiting to become, while we're waiting trial, you know, people in the court of law under like that 18th Amendment, they have an actual right to hygiene products, things that are like toothbrushes, toothpaste, and not to be put in one of those cells and sequestered. I have a right to be in a general population where I can actually be observed and monitored and given proper hygiene care and clean clothes, not in a little cell with 4 people, like where it's so close to one another that if I had something contagious, I could actually catch it. Which is exactly what happened the third time you incarcerated me on something I wasn't guilty for. It's like, what the f*** am I doing, dude? I have to be dead. You guys just don't give a f***. You keep collecting state money, and what for? Every time you come here, you make me sicker. No, I'm not doing that. I don't want my boogers touching my f***ing chest. Okay, that's why I like that. Well, I don't care. I need them to. Because you put me in an area that none of my bruises and shit can be observed by actual federal agents that can actually access these cameras. What happened to you? They f***ing stole my house. They f***ing fucked everything off. They're not f***ing helping me, dude. Why are you putting 2 of these on me? Take these off. Dude, take these off. Take these
Trying
off.
to, but you're not letting me.
Like, take these off.
Where's it? Go.
The woman was charged with resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer and criminal trespassing.
All right, let's talk about what actually mattered here. Police responding to scenes like this are allowed to control movement, separate people, and issue lawful commands to stabilize things. What hurts people legally is not silence, but oversharing, rambling explanations, emotional arguments, and trying to out-lawyer officers in the moment almost always backfire. This didn't escalate because police refused to listen. It escalated because emotion replaced strategy. Here's the real takeaway. Know when to stop talking, know when to comply, and know when to save arguments for later, when they actually count. Laws vary by state. This video is educational only.